So the current temperature is actually below freezing here in DFW.
Delta 2790, City Tower 365, clear land 0107.
Clear to land 36 left, Delta 2798.
Here goes Japan Airlines back to Tokyo.
17, Echo 2, formally traffic 2 out.
Echo 2, American 1019.
American 1018, Echo 2 with Kilo cross 36 right, give way to the aircraft under tow, catching ground point 85. Ready 1025 with Kilo cross 36 right, ground point 85. American 14,
Sometimes, yeah, that's a good point, Benjamin. Sometimes I didn't know Vermont, but
36 right, clear for
Vermont, huh?
1421.
Green Mountain. I always think of Mount Washington, New Hampshire as being like one of the windiest places in the United States. I know, I'd rather have a Subaru, I'll tell you that much, Robert, but you know, my truck's okay with four-wheel drive. Going off to Louisville. Yeah, Chicago's a different story, Robert. Chicago is definitely a different story. That's like they know they got to be the best.
American 960 Romeo Yankee cross 36 right, ground point 65 on the Yankee bridge. Get it.
Cross 36 right, Yankee, contact ground 165. Yankee bridge, take.
GPS 2785, heavy departure, get it.
Triple 7-200 going to Hawaii here. One of two Hawaiian destinations from DFW.
American 2448, departure, get it. Discover 6194, Echo Yankee, hold shorter runway 36 right.
Echo Yankee, hold for 36 right, 49.
Nah, I got you, Jonathan. Probably your fingers are frozen, right? Snow. So I'm like, what? So yeah.
Envoy 3639, DFW Tower, line 36 right, line up and wait.
36 right, line plate, Envoy 3639.
American 2214, contact departure, safe flight.
But yeah, Rainy Key, or Mike, the European model, they said, I don't know how true this is, but I haven't seen it myself, but they said European model shows a foot of snow. So, seeing that? 5,280 feet in the air. Nice, Kevin. Just atop the Burj Khalifa. They should start doing 5Ks in airports. how big they're getting.
3711 on after Haskell, runway 36 right, clear for takeoff.
Haskell 36 right, takeoff, fairway 37 left.
Target 1288, DFW tower, runway 36 right, line of point.
Runway 36 right, American 1288.
Polaris 1801, contact departure, safe flight. Over to departure, 1288.
That's pretty solid. Nice job. There goes the 777. The question is, Gavin, how many Starbucks are in Narita?
Altitude tower, United 1350, visual 36 left.
Yeah, it was a solid game for sure. Very close to the end. I watched a little bit. I'm not gonna. I only watched part of the fourth quarter where they scored the late touchdown. Montana State did to go up by like at 10. What's up, Aviation Geek? So this is a rare bird. Nice little surprise for us. You don't see every day. Headed off to Billings, Montana.
I can nail that sucker. I'll tell you right now, I'm confident with saying that one.
Yeah, this is good because I always wonder that because if I see a coyote, I may call airport ops, like inside the AOA. But if it's not near the taxiway, it's just kind of like a, you don't take lethal action or anything.
We can't get away.
Right.
They said way over there. If they're not,
The guy said that this is a different one. I don't know.
they stay away from that.
Yeah. Right. It's understandable.
50 tower, caution, may turbulence, you're in trail of a heavy 747, runway 36 left for the land, wind 350 at 10.
Have you guys ever? So you'll see occasionally like mountain lions and cougars. Have you ever had one?
I've never seen one, but yes.
There is that coyote playing around in the field, flying solo. He's looking. Oh, did he find something to eat? He may have found something to eat there. Nice. That's what I call content, as W would say. Thank you, thank you. Hey, you know, I try and listen and give people what they want, so thanks, Plain Watching. Uh-oh. The ear, nose, and throat. Well, here, I hope you get a quick recovery there, a.k.a. John. That is annoying. That is annoying.
American 2432, Whiskey Lima, cross 36 right, connect ground 85.
Going to Tokyo.
Cross 36 right, ground 85. American 1231, Whiskey Kilo, cross 36 right, connect ground 0.85.
Whiskey Kilo, cross 36 right, 0.85, American 12.
Billings or whatnot, so. That's right, Captain. That is exactly right, 97%. There is the king in the hizzy.
Delta 2800, you'll be number one. There's vehicles on the runway doing an inspection. They're about half over. It'll be just a couple of minutes.
Roger.
DFW Tower, Sun Country 8860, visual 36 left.
Sun Country 8860, DFW Tower, cosmic turbulence, previous variable, super Airbus 380, wind 030 at 10, from 36 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 36 left, country 8860.
Sun Country. Our friends from the north.